We just hope the weather cooperates in that situation, especially when it comes to, you always say like the chop on the bay.
The chop on, yeah, right. Well, they're going to be right there near shore, so you go to the actual shoreline, the beach area. I don't think we're going to have too bad of an issue.
Okay.
I mean, we are going to have some storms each afternoon. Most of it will be after about 2 o'clock. So there's some racing going on before that. That's the best time for
And they'll be watching for all of that. Make sure everybody's safe.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Take a look live outside from Van Wezel right now. You can see the Ringling Bridge right there. It's looking pretty good with lots of blue skies. Most of the clouds, felt a little bit of a sea breeze, have blown behind the camera here, have blown just on shore. 89 in Sarasota, feels like 98 degrees. Dew point still in the low to mid 70s. You can see the airport right now is looking really good. Again, we're looking towards the coast here, so you see the blue skies, but just behind it is where we have the clouds developing. Some storms too. Air temps upper 80s to near 90 along the coast. 95 in Fishhawk and Plant City, 91 right now in Lakeland, Lando Lakes, 95 degrees. These are air temperatures. Feels about 100, 105 for most locations. 89 right now in Odessa, 96 right now in Carrollwood. So some very warm numbers out there that will slowly come down for this evening hours, at least for most areas. Some of us are going to see some rain, and that'll bring the temperature down quicker. We're seeing that happen in parts of Polk County, especially south of Lake Wales, south of Bartow, down towards Hardy, DeSoto County, especially Hardy County. But I also want to show you these. See these little boundaries right here? I kind of outlined them. Those are outflows. One's kind of the sea breeze here. These are outflows from those storms. They're going to come together right there in the middle, and you're going to notice showers and storms pop up, and then those will come back towards the coast. So Fishhawk to Lakeland. How many times do I say that, right? Lakeland to Bartow to Fishhawk back up towards Plant City. That's the area that we'll be watching. I think it'll be mostly down here in southern Hillsborough, and then it will come back towards the beaches as we get towards later this evening. You can see, really, you see the energy coming to the west. If you're down way towards Northport, there's a big thunderstorm coming through there now. That will get up towards Venice here in about 30 minutes or so. There's a lot of lightning with this one. We had a lot in some storms yesterday, so watch that, especially down towards Sharktooth Beach there. This is the forecast through 5:30 now. Watch it coming back to the coast. So it's picking up. It's a little bit early on it, but it is picking up and it all coming back to the coast. By 9:30, it's almost all done. Tomorrow, that's 8 o'clock in the morning, starts dry, but by about 1 to 2 o'clock, we start popping up showers and storms. This is 2:15. Notice the coverage. Same thing, storms coming from east to west, but it's a lot thinner in coverage than what we're seeing out there today, or even if you compared it to yesterday. So I dropped rain chances down to about 40% for tomorrow, but they're coming right back up as we get towards Thursday and into the holiday weekend ahead. So tonight, down out of the 90s through the 80s. Some showers will help you cool off a little bit better. Otherwise, mid to upper 70s for overnight lows. Tomorrow and really all the way through the weekend, low 90s for highs. Rain chance goes to about 40 to 50% for tomorrow afternoon. And then you can see boating looks good. Southeast winds to the west around 5 to 10 knots. Look at it live out there right now. Just gorgeous. Water's about 88, 90, depending on where you are. Weekend, 93 on Saturday, 94 on Sunday, Monday, 94 as well. 60% chance, including 4th of July on Monday. I wanted to show you this track staying well down to our south, and then I wanted to show you real fast the models for this one in the western Gulf of Mexico. See them kind of coming back up towards southeast Texas, so no need for us to worry about this one, and I even think the folks in Texas is more of a rainmaker than anything else, so good news there too. There's the holiday weekend forecast, and it looks just like every other day this weekend.